What's up, everybody? I was going to show just a quick video of my little dilemma today. Got a hot water heater that was leaking a little bit. Noticed a little bit of water in the floor around the baseboards, around the bottom of the water heater last night. Now, I didn't know a lot about these water heaters. We've owned this house since 2006, so what, 14 years or so. And this thing's always been just sitting over here in the corner. Now, I knew it was a water heater, but I didn't know much about it. So I got to talking to a friend last night, and it's called, this type of water heater is called a tabletop water heater. It's what I come to find out from somebody who is more knowledgeable than I was about it. Anyway, and it's got a little top, a little metal top that goes on it. And it's really just good for little small homes like this, small kitchen areas that don't have a lot of countertop space. But anyway, I got a friend of mine over here. He's going to get a few supplies. I got him over here to look at it, and I think I'm going to sort of luck out on it. We don't know 100% yet, but actually, if you look down inside, it's got you see the tank down in there, and he said actually the tank looks like in really good condition. Now this thing, I found a date code on it from 1992, so it's like almost 28, 29 years old. And but there's your cold water coming in, and it's got a little drip to the cold water, but the hot water line right there, right in here in this area, was where it was really leaking. So we got the water shut off right now, and he's going to get some supplies, but I'm hoping that that's going to take care of it and there's not going to be anything else. He does a lot of plumbing work, and that's what he does basically, and he said the tank itself really looks real good. So anyway, hopefully that'll take care of it, because I did price these things, and they do still sell these type water heaters. And I found, or my friend actually found one online at Lowe's, and it was like $700, you know. And this is a 38-gallon water heater, by the way, and it's just me and one other person here. So the water amount, I've never had an issue with not having enough hot water. And I know growing up, you know, we had 4 people in the house, and we had a smaller water heater than this, I think, growing up. And, you know, it wasn't nothing to a couple people take a shower and then you run out of hot water and the next person has to wait, you know. But I never have that problem with this, so this is a good size. But just again, guys, just wanted to update you in case you wasn't aware of, like I wasn't, of this particular type of water heater. Actually, it's pretty neat. It gives you that extra counter space and everything. But they are, again, like I said, more expensive. I think just a normal 38-gallon water heater would probably run me around somewhere between three to five, roughly. And again, like I said, guys, this one here is at Lowe's, and I think they had one in stock. It was like $700. So anyway, hopefully I lucked out, and I realize at some point, you know, it'll have to be replaced. The guy said these things normally last, you know, at least 30 years, and you know, we're sitting at like almost 29 years on this one, according to the date code, which I said was 1992. Anyway, just wanted to update you on this. I thought it was, you know, while I had the top off of it, I've been here since 2006, and I've never had that top off, never had any issues with it. So I just wanted to show that, and in case anybody wasn't familiar. It's got all this installation that's all in it, around it, to keep the heat in and everything. But anyway, guys, just wanted to show that. I thought it would be interesting for people that have never seen one of these or wasn't really familiar with them like I really wasn't. So anyway, hopefully he gets back over here, we'll get this leak fixed, and we won't have any water at the floor. All right, guys, thanks for watching.